Good afternoon for the National Weather Service Forecast Office in Gaylord, Michigan, and welcome to the latest hazardous weather briefing for eastern upper and northern lower Michigan. Today is Thursday, May the 9th, 2013. Just a quick look at the hazardous weather highlights expected over the next few days. Just the frost freeze possibilities for northern lower Michigan early Monday morning, with possible damage to sensitive plants is the main hazardous weather highlight for the next few days. Starting out with the afternoon weather map, after a prolonged stretch of quiet weather and warm weather across the Great Lakes region, the pattern will turn a bit more active for the next several days. We do have an area of low pressure organizing across the Midwest with a front that stretches up across lower Michigan. This area of low pressure will move up into lower Michigan during the nighttime hours tonight, and this will bring a chunk of this rainfall into the state, especially across lower Michigan. There is some thunder potential, but mainly across southern lower Michigan and down into the Ohio River Valley. Stepping through the forecast weather maps as we get into Friday and by Friday evening, this front is expected to stretch out across the lower Great Lakes region by Friday evening, with a relatively quieter day on tap once again across the North Woods. For Friday, some cooler air will be had across northern Michigan and behind this initial front, knocking temperatures back down to more seasonable values. Looking upstream, however, there's another area of low pressure organizing that will be dropping down through central Canada with a strong cold front that will be stretching down into the plains by Friday evening. This cold front is expected to sweep through the Great Lakes region on Saturday, and this will bring some chances for rainfall as the front moves through, but more importantly, in behind this front, substantially colder air arrives for the weekend, knocking daytime temperatures back down into the 40s and lower 50s for Saturday and Sunday. So quite the change expected by this weekend. Cold enough air filters into the Great Lakes region by Saturday night going into Sunday. We could see a little light lake effect rain and or even snow showers across northern Michigan, with a dusting of accumulation possible in the higher terrain areas. But then stepping through the forecast weather maps further, as we get into Monday, that area of low pressure moves on off, with that front sweeping off the Atlantic coast. High pressure builds in for Monday, and much warmer air will return once again. We can already see it starting to organize in the plains, the northern plains. This warm front will sweep up into the Great Lakes region on Tuesday, ushering in that warmer air once again, and bringing the next chance for some rain showers to the Great Lakes region. So wrapping it all up for tonight, rain chances are on the increase, but more active weather pattern expected over the next several days. For tonight, rain will spread into northern Michigan. Low temperatures tonight will range from the middle 30s across the north to the middle 40s across the south. And as far as those hazards are concerned, frost freeze possibilities for Monday morning across northern lower Michigan, and there is a chance for thunderstorms next Wednesday. Well, that concludes this hazardous weather briefing for this afternoon. Thanks for listening in. The next update will occur around 5 a.m. tomorrow morning.